Good morning, everyone. Now we are going to talk about redox reactions and types of redox reactions. Okay, it's important questions. What is the redox reactions? First one, redox means RED reduction. OX means oxidation. RED means reduction. OX means oxidation. This redox reaction. So what is the oxidation and what is the reduction reaction? The reaction in which oxidation number of the element increases is called oxidation. Listen, oxidation number of the element increases is called oxidation. Next, oxidation number of the element decreases is called reduction. That's all. What is the oxidation or define oxidation? A reaction in which oxidation number of the element increases is called oxidation. A reaction in which it decreases is called reduction reactions. Example. For example, KMnO4 and 10 molecules of FeSO4 and 8 molecules of H2SO4. Okay, KMnO4. MnO4 manganese oxidation number +7. Iron Fe oxidation number +2. Okay, reaction the KMnO4 +7 oxidation state decreased Mn oxidation state +2. Okay, Mn oxidation state +7. This Mn oxidation state +2. Therefore, oxidation number are decreases. Therefore, this reaction is reduction reactions. KMnO4 convert to MnSO4. What is the reaction? Reduction reaction. Okay. Next, Fe iron +2 charge. Okay, converted to +3 charge. Converted to +3 charge. Therefore, oxidation number increases. Therefore, this reaction is oxidation reaction. Okay, oxidation number increases. Therefore, this reaction is called oxidation reaction. That's all. Oxidation number increases, oxidation number decreases, reduction reaction. Types of reactions. First one, combination reaction. First one, combination reaction. Listen, two substances combine to form compound are called combination reaction. Listen, two substances combine to form compound are called combination reaction. Example, carbon and oxygen to form carbon dioxide. Carbon oxidation number 0, oxygen atomic number 0, because oxygen is a free metal ion. Therefore, 0 value. Say, convert to carbon dioxide. Therefore, carbon oxidation number +4 and oxygen oxidation number -2. Therefore, carbon 0 to +4. Oxidation number are increased. Therefore, this reaction is oxidation reaction. Oxygen converted to 0, oxygen number 0 converted to -2. Therefore, it decreases. Oxidation number are decreases. Therefore, reduction reaction. Next one, decomposition reaction. Reaction. A compound breaks down into two or more components. A compound breaks down into two or more components is called decomposition reaction. A compound breaks down into two or more components is called decomposition reaction. Example, KClO3. This is one of the compound. The compounds breaks down two or more, or Kc and 3O2. This compound oxidation potassium oxidation state +5, Cl oxide state -2. Sorry, oxygen oxide state -2. Potassium +5. Oxidation number +5. It decreases oxidation number -1. Therefore, reduction reaction. Oxidation number -2 increases oxidation number 0. Therefore, oxidation reaction. Next one, displacement reaction. What is the displacement reaction? An ion or atom in a compound is replaced by an atom of another element are called displacement reaction. An ion or atom in a compound is replaced by an atom of another element are called displacement reaction. First one, metal displacement reaction. Two types of displacement reactions. First one, metal displacement reaction, and another one, non-metal displacement reaction. First one, metal displacement reaction. I take copper sulfate and zinc. Zinc is a metal. Say copper sulfate convert to copper. +2 convert to 0. Therefore, decreases oxidation numbers are decreases. Therefore, reduction reaction. Say zinc oxidation number 0 convert to +2. Therefore, oxidation number are increases. Therefore, oxidation reaction. It's a displacement reaction. Another one, non-metal displacement reactions. First one, zinc. I take zinc is a zinc and HCl. Listen, zinc oxidation number 0 convert to +2. HCl +1 hydrogen +1 charge convert to 0. Therefore, non-metal displacement reaction. Another one, dispropionate reaction. The same compound can undergo both oxidation and reduction. The same compound can undergo both oxidation and reduction, and the oxidation state of one and the same element is both increased and decreased, called dispropionate reaction. The same compound can undergo both oxidation and reduction, and the oxidation state of one and the same element is both increase and decreases, called dispropionate reactions. Listen, H2 what is here? Hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide charge -1. Oxidation number -1. This is a peroxide. Okay. Converted to the hydrogen peroxide convert to water and oxygen. Okay. First one water, another one oxygen. So -1 converted to 0. Therefore, increases oxidation state. Therefore, oxidation reaction. -1 converted to -2 decreases. Therefore, reduction reaction. The same compound can undergo both oxidation and reduction. And the action state of one and the same element is both increased and decreased, called dispropionate reactions. Another one, competitive electron transfer reaction. Another one, competitive electron transfer reaction. Competition for electrons occurs between various metals. It's called competitive electron transfer reaction. First one, copper actually 0. Silver nitrate. Copper and silver nitrate. Copper convert to copper nitrate. To find another one, zinc sulfate. The nitrate is transferred to copper. 0 come to plus, therefore oxidation. -+1 convert to 0. Therefore, reduction reaction. Thank you, students. Questions. What is the redox reactions? Or define redox reactions and types of redox reactions. All the best. God bless you.